On Thursday, the Robisonian, the front page headlines were such as this: "The worst of Matthew may bypass us."
That's a brand new house. It's gone. Well, me and my wife was in the house sitting there on the couch watching TV. All of a sudden, every TV went out. Next thing I know, I had water up to my chest, up here. And then when we got out here for the rescue boat, the water was up over our head. It ruined all my house, ruined my cars, ruined everything.
Well, it rained all day, Will. It was a mess out here. This is closest that it got down. You see where the sewer is? That's how high the water was. I've been in this house. It started Saturday. I didn't get out of this house until maybe Tuesday. They took my step all the way in the back. This step here goes down there. And they took it in the back around there.
You had to wade in waist deep in the yard, and I was told that the city installed pumps that were pumping 7 million gallons an hour. And things were floating through the house. The intensity of the storm, As a matter of fact, I think the worst came